Hello, my Dravidian family around the world. This is Sikandar Bravi, a Dravidian Bravi from Pakistan. After the disintegration of Indus civilization around 5,000 years back, Dravidians, who were the indigenous population of Indus civilization, scattered around the world. However, the Bravi speaking Dravidians took to the border area mountains of Indus Valley, and even today they are living there and it's their home. Despite this harsh mountainous life, Bravis tried to maintain, to protect, and to prevent their language and culture. However, there are so many political issues, there are so many issues of language, there are so many issues of culture Bravis of Pakistan are facing. Our language is threatened, our culture is threatened, our identity is threatened due to some political decisions of our ancestors, especially our Bravi rulers. Although we are very much happy in our beloved country Pakistan, Pakistan has given us a lot. However, we also want to maintain our relations with our other Dravidian brothers around the globe. We know that there are so many Dravidian tribes, so many Dravidian people living around the globe. Through this talk, I want to see in which countries our Dravidian people are living. I request all of them to please mention their countries in the comments, as we can know that in which countries the Dravidian people are living. We know Dravidian people are speaking so many languages. They speak Tamil language, they speak Telugu language, they speak Kurukh language, they speak other many languages. So we want to be integrated, we want to be in coordination with each other. And Bravi TV intends to increase this cooperation, increase this coordination. And we are trying to find the ways and methods. And you are the people to guide us how to reach to each other, how in this era of social media we can connect to each other. The first issue, the first challenge is the language. Despite being Dravidians, we have been parts away from each other and we may not know each other's language, we may not speak each other's language. We have to select a language which all the people, all the Dravidians can understand easily. So certainly English is a global language. So should we make English as a tool of communication with each other? Because we want to share so many things, so many videos, so many talks on our state of affairs, on our culture, on our language, on the threats we are facing. So I will request you all, friends, to please mention us in the comments whether we should prepare such videos in English language or the other language which is commonly spoken in Asia is Urdu or Hindi, another language. So there is an opportunity that we can speak in Urdu, but I'm afraid that there are so many Dravidians in the countries where Urdu is not being spoken. For example, I have learned that there are Dravidians in Malaysia or Indonesia, whether they will be able to understand Urdu. So I request you all to guide us which language is possible for us to communicate with each other. The first step is language. Then tools of communication. I was thinking about the tools of communication. Certainly I'm planning to start a series of Skype interviews with the Dravidians around the globe. There are so many intellectuals, there are so many Dravidian writers, historians. I would love to interact with them. Skype is the one channel. You can guide us other channels. What are the tools, social media tools, which we can use to interact with each other? Is there any Dravidian organization, a global organization or regional organization, as we the Bravi speaking Dravidians of Pakistan can be part of that group? Or there any possibility of launching such a group? I hope you know more than me about the social media tools. You can guide us which social media tools we can use. So there are so many things which we can do. I hope that I will get a good response, a very very encouraging response from my brothers, from my family, from Dravidians around the globe, to start this communication, to start this coordination. And I hope that we would start a strong communication between each other. We would understand each other, and we would even support each other to protect our language, to protect our cultures, to protect our identities.